Hello children, welcome to your English grammar class. In today's class, I am continuing the same topic, articles. I am continuing the same topic, articles. In the previous class, we did two articles, that is a and an. I hope you all understood that very well and have no doubts regarding these two articles. Now moving on to our third article, that is definite article the. I am going to tell you the uses of definite article the. First use of definite article the is, article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Okay, when we talk about something special, like for example the Ganga is a holy river. So if we talk about Ganga is particular river. So I used the before Ganga. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि हम द का इस्तेमाल वहाँ करते हैं जहाँ हम किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या किसी पर्टिकुलर थिंग की बात करते हैं. Second use of article the is, article the is used when we talk about a person or thing again. Article the definite article the is used when we talk about a person again, मतलब हम उस person की बात दोबारा कर रहे हैं. I'll clear it to you using an example, that is I saw a girl. मैंने एक लड़की को देखा. The girl was playing. वो लड़की खेल रही थी. So here the specify that I am talking about the same girl whom I saw. ठीक है. Third use of definite article the is, article the is used before the name of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, famous buildings, trains, etc. So children, where we use name of river, any river, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, so many rivers are there. So with there the definite article the is used before the name of rivers. In the same manner, the definite article the is used before the name of seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, famous buildings like Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar. So we have to use the before the name of these famous buildings, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, trains, etc., the Rajdhani Express, the Shatabdi Express. Okay, example is the Yamuna. It is a name of a particular river. Next use of definite article the is, article the is used before the name of things that are only one of its kind. जो यूनिवर्स में सिंगल काइंड की चीज़ें हैं, एक तरह की चीज़ें हैं, उनके नाम के साथ भी डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द स्काई, द मून, द यूनिवर्स, द गॉड. ओके. नेक्स्ट यूज़ ऑफ definite article the is, article the is used before superlatives. अगर आपने 3 डिग्रीज पढ़े हैं वर्ब के, सो देन यू नो व्हाट इज़ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. अदरवाइज आई विल टीच यू लेटर ऑन क्लासेस. अभी ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि द का यूज़ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के साथ होता है वर्ब की. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ लिखा है द ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार. सो ब्राइटेस्ट इज़ द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ ब्राइट. सो आई यूज़ द बिफोर ब्राइट. ब्राइटेस्ट. ओके. इसी तरह अगर हमें और एग्जाम्पल लेने हो तो मैं बोलूँगी द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन. ओके. हाईएस्ट इज द सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ हाई. So I used the before highest. The highest ranges. The article next use of article the is article the is used before the words first and last. जहाँ पर भी हम ये दो वर्ड का इस्तेमाल करेंगे first and last. So before these two words we have to use definite article the first line, the last bench. I hope there is no doubt to all of you. Now children, I am going to share picture of this page. Open your notebook and write it down as fast as you can. Don't get panic अगर आपका छूट भी जाता है. I am telling you, अगर दूसरी क्लास स्टार्ट होने से पहले आपका कंप्लीट हो जाता है then it is okay. Otherwise you can do it later on. Do not get panic. I will share picture of it. Okay. Thank you.